You walk the long walk, tired eyes and gentle hands, calling every patient, one no longer, you're not alone. Sister Mary in the night shift whispered prayers by each bed. Kids were lights outside the window, but you stayed by us instead. Rest in peace, my Nightingale. I am quiet, but your song remains. Ububele bueno, still in these halls. We will meet again beyond these walls.
Hambakaze, my Nightingale, ngizokubona lapho where there's no pain. You gave your life so we could breathe. Now in our hearts, you never leave.
Dr. Mukwabi by the doorway, mask on, but we knew your smile. When there we fight, you used to say. Even when a line was a mouse, Mr. Tit, we could quiet laughter, small jokes in the darkest nights. You signed off one more file, then you stepped into the light.
Rest in peace, my Nightingale. Why I'm quiet, but your song remains.
Ububele bueno, swell in these halls.
We will meet again beyond these walls. Hambakaze, my Nightingale, ngizokubona lapho where there's no pain. You gave your life so we could breathe. Now in our hearts, you never leave.
Mulungu amupele umuti wa chisumo. God hold you close where the rivers shine. Gobalapa and Flabeni, we are walking with your memory in our minds. Friend, Koliadi, Nkabumba, we will carry what you taught. Every life that you have saved, here's a flower that you brought.
Rest in peace, my Nightingale. Why I'm quiet, but your song remains. Ububele bueno, still in these halls. We will meet again beyond these walls. Hambakaze, my Nightingale, ngizokubona lapho where there's no pain. You gave your life so we could breathe. Now in our hearts, you never leave.
Rest now, our nightingales. Sister Gupta, brother, friend, till we sing one song together at the river at the end.